Hello guys, it's Safety Security Alert here today, and today is going to be Potter PFC-4410RC Agent Release Demonstration System New System Test Mini System Test 1. So let's get started. Yeah, that's right, I got another new panel, and this is not going to have to do anything with the home system. This I actually got this a while back, and yeah, so this is actually going to be part of my demonstration room, which I didn't show a lot of yet, but you'll see more soon. But yeah, so this is the Potter panel. It's a PFC releasing panel, so yeah, this is an agent release panel. Now, I'm just going to come on over, and I already left it unlocked. Open it up. That's the inside of it, and I will go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see. So this is the, you can see we have a address panel on this. I actually got this brand new in box as well. This is our main control area. As you can see, this panel actually came with an LCD, which is pretty cool. And it reads troubled battery right now because I obviously don't have any batteries, which I will zoom out and show you. You can see I have no batteries. So yeah, go ahead and go over the main controls. So the LCD right here, and then we have our buttons. They're actually white buttons, and they actually feel like keyboard buttons, which is really different. So for run mode, we have scroll up / buzzer silence, and scroll down / buzzer silence, or buzzer like piezo. And then these are both lamp tests as well, which doesn't work when you don't have batteries. We have signal silence and system reset. And this little switch right here is a program switch, so if you flip it down, it's in program mode, and then it's set, select, and function. So, yep. And then we have 4 zones. Yeah, this is a 4 regular zones, and then 4 outputs. Outputs are like the NACs in this case. We have system trouble, power trouble because of battery, and then no other troubles. And then I don't have the timer or anything set on this because I still have to figure out how to use that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you a little bit more of this panel real quick. Okay, so now I'm holding the camera, and no, I didn't use FPL for this because, I don't know. I'll probably change it out eventually. I used old wires. So underneath here you can see these are the outputs. Now you can't really see too well, but this right here is output 1, and this is output 3. Outputs are like the NACs again. Now the reason I'm using output 1 and output 3 is because of the way that the programming goes. Like output 2 is probably for manual or water flow or whoa. Okay, and stuff like that. So this output 3 is going to the strobe, and then this one's going to the horn, which I'll show you in a minute. And no batteries. Here's a closer look at everything. And here's the wiring above. This is where the main power comes in, which goes down and plugs in down there, which goes over to that. And then we have the annunciator drive, which is of course not hooked up because I don't have an annunciator for this. And we have auxiliary, and I have the supervisory abort zone hooked up, and then zone 1 and zone 4. I'm not using zone 2 or zone 3, and obviously the resistor's in there for reasons. And I'm not using zone 2 or zone 3 because the way that it's programmed, again, zone 2 is for another smoke, and then zone 3 is for water flow. So yeah, that's about that. And I'm going to go ahead and, there's the grounding. I'm going to go ahead and close this up and then put this back down. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you what devices and stuff we have up. So, try to fix that. Right here we have my Harrington Signal Incorporated key operated only station, which I got from Samsung. And it came with a DOA button, but I took the button out of my, where is it? I took the button out of my GE pull station and used it, and it works perfectly. It's just like an RSGT bar. It's just key operated only. And this is on zone 4. It said it's manual release on the panel. And then also on zone 4, if I go up a little, we have my notifier NBG12LRA agent release pull station, as you can see. And yeah, it's right here. And you can see that it also has all of that, and then the abort button is hooked to the abort zone, and the LEDs I didn't bother hooking up. And you can see this is also on zone 4 because So unfortunately only manual release when it's programmed this way. And I can change the program, but if I change it, it functions differently, which it functions in such a way that I can't have it. So then we have it mounted, and then yep. And then right next to that, as you can see, we have a system sensor I3, and I have the dust cover on it. Go ahead and twist that off. There you go. It's a 2WT-B, and it says Zone 1. And I think the wire mill, I just use wire mill for this. I think it's pretty cool. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist it off and show you. Yep. It goes in the trouble. And the piezo in this is like that, yeah. And right next to it, we have my Potter selector strobe, and this is a ceiling mount strobe. And I just put that Potter sticker on it. It didn't come like that, but it looks pretty cool. And then way above, we have my wheel-lock MIZ mini horn with tape on it for some reason. So, yep, that's it. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the test off with the Harrington key-operated station. So we're going to go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Now I push signal silenced, and I'll go ahead and zoom in so you can see what that's doing right now. So as you can see, the zone 4 LED is on, and the LCD is displaying output 3 releasing, and if I push scroll down, it says manual release acknowledge. And we have alarm silence, common alarm, and steady discharging. So that's manual release. And output 3 is still blinking because the strobe is still flashing. It's audible silence. So, yep, now I'm going to go ahead and do the smoke detector. So, go ahead and just point it up there. And let's go ahead and do this. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and test the smoke detector. The system sensor R3, and I just took the dust cover off. And I'm going to use my CRC smoke detector tester. I'm not going to use my solo right now, or smoke saver. So we'll go ahead and do this. And nothing on this system has verification. I didn't set any of that really. I'll have to try to figure that out eventually. Okay, should activate in a second. Here. Let's do a little more. Oh, there it goes. Go ahead and silence it. Scroll through. As you can see, detection, smoke detector. So, yep, now I'm just alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and reset the system. So just open up the panel, and I'm going to press system reset. Now, I have it as Potter PFC demo system, but of course the battery trouble is going to pop up. And listen to, yeah, the piezo is kind of annoying, but it's pretty cool, I think. So, let me zoom out real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and now test the NBG12LRA. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pull the NBG12LRA, and I'm going to hold the abort. But then how this works is I'm going to pull it, and it does everything like the same thing as it does with this manual pull station, or release, or whatever, key operated only station. But with this, it's going, when I hold the abort, the panel is going to beep, or the piezo is going to beep, and the thing is, it's non-silenceable when you hit the abort, so I have to reset the system. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the key in and do this. See, NBG12LRA. Go ahead and hold the abort. Release that. Okay. See supervisor 1/abort. Now I have to reset the system. Put the key back in. Okay. Now I have to acknowledge the battery trouble once again. And yep. And also I forgot to mention I have a little sticker down there. So yeah, I think that's it. Alright, thank you for watching my first mini system test with the Potter system. So expect more to come. New system test 2 will be coming out probably in a month or something. Here's everything once again. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So, sneak peek. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. See ya.